Haley, Colorful Sprinkles, it's Willow. I am at Viroqua Pride, and it's been a rainy day, so they've moved over to the VFW here. So let's check it out. Come on in.
So this video, not only are we going to go to Pride, but we're also going to do a little bit of thrifting, and then we're also going to head back to the Viroqua Public Market, which is where we were last week. But let's start with Pride. Let's take a look at some of these awesome booths here. There's some really cool stickers on that table there. And check out these shirts. All of them were handmade, and most of the shirts were thrifted. This is a little mushroom earring holder, and this cool mushroom mirror with some moss growing on it. Very cool. I love the fairy core stuff. These earrings are so cute, and I love the little pasta earrings. I would wear those myself. Also, this artist had one of the coolest names I've ever heard, Lupine Wolf, and this is their Instagram, so go give them a follow. I'm not the only Willow at Pride, but this Willow makes really cool scale mail and chain mail art, and these earrings are really cool. I know Caden and Nikki both own a pair, and this is a really cool chain mail skirt. These earrings also come in a bunch of different Pride flag colors. Check out Willow's Instagram for more awesome chainmail and scale mail stuff. This booth is called Radical Ascension, and they have so many beautiful pendants. Look at all these beautiful stones. Gorgeous. And you can pick your own cord and make your own necklace. They also make their own hemp, which I found really cool. And check out these necklaces as well. Honey Pot Candles had these beautiful sculpted candles. Look how pretty these are. I love the little mushroom ones. And then of course these cool little knitted critters. Look at them. They even had a basket full of them. These little critters are made by Busy Lizzie. This is Cool Crafts by Alex. They had all sorts of cool wares, including these earrings. I love the earrings. They're all handmade. Look at that. Some keychains. Plenty Popcorn was here as well. If you haven't been downtown lately, definitely stop in and try some. I have yet to try it myself. I would love to. Maybe I'll do a taste test video at Plenty sometime. Definitely check them out. They're called Plenty, and they're right downtown in Viroqua. This booth was called Crocheting Ace, and I absolutely love all these crocheted critters. Look at them. I couldn't leave empty-handed, so I also grabbed one of these spiders off of their rack here because I know Caden loves bugs, so I had to grab a spider and he'll turn it into a necklace. This table had all sorts of amazing treats, but unfortunately I didn't hear what the name of their company was, and I wish I could put them in the comments, and if someone was there at Pride and knows who this table is, please put it in the comments so they get credit. That looks so good. I want to try all those rainbow bagels. Check those out. These look delicious. This table is a familiar one. This is Trans on the Land, and they're good friends of ours. Definitely check out the Facebook group to learn more about them. Essentially, it's a group for queer folks in the Driftless region who want to get together and have a sense of community. I remember One Eyed Cat Crafts from the other year. They had a lot of cool mugs at their booth. They do a lot of ceramic arts in the area, and I love these three-eyed Care Bears and Garfields. They look super weird, and it's totally up my alley. Definitely check them out. This table is called Bee's Cutie Crafts, and they had all sorts of cute little stickers at their table. Also, they told me that they're going to be starting up a TikTok account, so definitely give them a follow on TikTok as well. Now, I got to Pride super early, so I didn't really stick around that long because it was kind of a small venue and I get kind of cramped in small spaces. So I decided it was time to leave, but thank you so much to the VFW for making this happen for us because the weather was not. It's time for some thrift therapy. Let's head on over to Crazy Frank's. This cool Mickey Mouse phone is very tempting, but I just bought a Ronald McDonald phone. And of course, right around the corner was Minnie Mouse. This was an interesting monkey puppet dressed in a baseball uniform. I do not need to buy more cookie jars. I do not need to buy more cookie jars. I do not need to buy more cookie jars. Okay. My Little Pony. Oh no, wait, that's not My Little Pony, but that is My Little Pony. Lots and lots of Beanie Babies. There's no end to the Beanie Babies, and oh god, happy Pride, Barbie. Let's go somewhere else. This booth had the most terrifying dolls, and I absolutely love them. I remember having this as a kid, and then they got really hard, and it might have been because we played with them in the pool. Is it mandatory to own a cheese hat if you live in Wisconsin? Asking for a friend, maybe? It's always fun to see Pokemon XY out in the wild. I don't know for that price if I would buy it, but pretty cool. And this person always has the most amount of Star Wars action figures. Look at this. How cool would it be to drive a car with this face on it? I guess you could say my thrift therapy is all going accordion to plan. There were a lot of vintage cards in here, and if I sat down, I probably could have found some good deals in here. However, I didn't want to sit there forever and just look at cards. I did, however, pick up this Fraidy Cats game for $15. It's a steal because they sell for $60 complete on eBay. Whenever I see a Furby in the wild, I have to get it. Although this one came at a $10 price tag, it came with 2 of them, so I got it anyway. I always love seeing Vaseline glass, or also known as uranium glass. If you look closely though, I learned this recently. You see this green color? Not all of them are green. This one's kind of a yellowish color, and the yellow ones tend to be older. I think it's time to get out of here, but we got one more stop. First, let's say bye to this clown and head on over to the Viroqua Public Market, which is where we were last week when we did the chip taste test. The Viroqua Public Market has so many cool things in it. Look at this pillow. It's gorgeous. It looks painful, but it's cute and it's soft. I would love to take a look at this Houdini book here. It was a little bit out of my price range, but as a magic book collector, this is really cool. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I post videos every Monday. You might remember last week we got to try all these different chip flavors. If you haven't seen that video, definitely go back and check it out at the end of this video. I'll put the link up on the screen. But check these out. These are snacks gummies. They had bagel bite shaped gummies. I thought that was so creative. A lot of people ask me where I got my Chinese takeout purse, and this is actually where I got it from. And if you're into reading tarot cards, they have a whole bunch of them on this shelf here. Unfortunately, this one doesn't work, but I would love to see one of those working. If you're looking for something a little more obscure, I always say check Woodhookers. They have some really unusual stuff in their booth. Why do rocks look so delicious? They look like candy. Oh, look at that! They have a nice little Pride display. Every time I'm here, I have to stop by and see the doves. Unfortunately, I learned that one of the doves had passed away. But look at this little cutie. I never thought of butter as a Christmas tree ornament, but so be it. Oh, Caden would probably like this bug one. I can't really show you all the products in this room, but I really love these Backstreet Boys earrings. Those are so neat. All right, I think it's about time to head out. Before I go, I need to say bye to my friend. Goodbye, birdie friend. A huge thank you to the Viroqua Public Market for having us this weekend. Oh, wait, those look familiar. We saw those at Pride. But as I was saying, I want to say a big thank you to the Viroqua Public Market for having us last week and this week, and just having a really cool space.